Hey guys, what's up? JD from JD Tech TV here, and you know how people tell you that if you show up to work every day, if you put in the hours, your work will eventually be noticed, you'll get promoted, giving you everything that you've ever wanted, including that car. You're a grown, bearded man. Car, giving you that car that you wanted. Well, sure, that works out for some people, but you know what also actually works, kids? If you actually ask for something. Because, you know, they might say no, but they might say yes. I sent this tweet out yesterday, asking for companies to send me something to unbox on videos like this, and the idea was to not tell me what it was to simply surprise me. And this showed up on my doorstep this morning. I feel like there's a lesson in there somewhere. And with a surprise unboxing series like this, when asking companies to send me anything tech related that they want, it can either go really, really good or really, really bad, as I'll be unboxing these. I don't know what's in here. I'll be unboxing these for the first time, seeing them along with you for the first time, and just simply reacting to it and showing you what's in here. Likely giving these away to my audience because, you know, I love you. Not the rest of them. You. I love you specifically. Oh yeah, and all this stuff behind me, if you haven't seen it, this is my new desk setup. This is my new unboxing setup. I did make a video about that desk behind me. If you haven't seen it, I will make sure to link it up here. I think it's up here. Okay, so it doesn't say who it's from, but this company is from California. I like California. And these are just to block my address. That's not how they really sent it out. As black secretive packaging, it feels kind of big. It's not heavy, but it's definitely not light. I'm gonna guess that it's a speaker, maybe? I have suspicions of something else, but I'm going with speaker. I get, and I'm not kidding you, like 50 emails a day asking me to review random speakers, and so the likelihood of this being a speaker is probably pretty good, but let's just go ahead and unbox it. Let's find out. I feel like I should be like Lamar Wilson whenever I do that, but I don't quite feel like I have the guy's energy.
Sorry.
It's just a scary in person.
I seriously love that guy. Okay. Okay, that's creepy. Let's take this thing out. Oh, my suspicions were right. It's not a speaker. It's what I originally thought it was. Gosh, there's 4 of these in here. This is stuff from SafeSleeve. I seriously love this company. SafeSleeve is one of my favorite tech companies right now. They're a company that provides cell phone cases, tablet cases, laptop sleeves, accessories, like all kinds of stuff like that. And I'll get into why they're so special in just a second. And if you've been following my channel for the last several months, you've probably seen these make an appearance from videos from time to time. And I don't constantly put them in my videos because they send me free stuff. I mean, it's not because of that, I guess, but no, I genuinely do believe in this product. I genuinely do love this company. Okay, so let's just unbox this real quick and I'll discuss why I love their products so much after. And yeah, I definitely will be giving some of these away. As much as I love to keep all of them, I have a few of them, and I think you should have them instead. So details for how to win will be in the description down below, as well as the links to find these products down there as well. So, you know, go nuts. I always love their boxes. It has these little radiation symbols on them, which gives it a really cool look, but it's just a nice unboxing experience. It has a nice look, definitely a nice feel. Love this stuff. Okay, let's unbox each one here. All right, each one has some literature. We'll get to that in just a second. Okay, so they're all cell phone cases. I'm assuming iPhone 10 because that's what I carry. They're all wallet cases, very nice. I absolutely love the colors, and I know that these are some of the new colors. I haven't seen this blue. I really, really like this. I don't know how you feel about wallet cases. I really, really like wallet cases. It's just everything all in one. I don't have to carry my wallet and my phone with me. It's just one less thing to carry in my pocket, because I carry my keys, my wallet, my phone, and AirPods. So I'm one of those people that carries those things around with me everywhere that I go. It's just a lot to have in my pockets. So having a wallet case kind of alleviates one less thing that I have to carry with me at all times by combining it. So I really, really like that. And people always say that the wallet cases are just bulky, that's why they don't like it, but SafeSleeve has always figured out a way to make them as thin as possible. So it protects your phone really, really well, but it's also pretty low profile. So that's pretty great. All right, so we're taking each one of these things out, and let me examine these a little bit further. Okay, so if I'm right, these two are removable, but these two aren't. You can always tell by the design. These ones that have the carbon fiber look have magnets in them, so you can remove the case aspect and just bring that with you as a regular phone case when you don't want to bring the wallet portion with you. It's nicely padded, very comfortable, And when you're ready to bring the wallet portion with you, bam, gets sucked right in there, and now you have your wallet with you. These are the ones that have the smooth finish, have a case that's permanently attached. I don't know, maybe you're a ride or die wallet case kind of guy or gal and you want to send a message. I'm not wishy-washy, is this a phone case or is this a wallet case? No, this is a wallet case and I want you to know that. Think this is a game? But regardless of which style you're into, they're all really dope, and the reason why I love this company so much is the science behind these and the security that's built in. Not only do these offer radiation protection that helps block the electromagnetic radiation that comes off of your phone from getting in certain parts of your body, but it also has RFID blocking technology, which is a really big deal to me. I am really careful about my account security, and keeping my cards in one of these gives me that little extra peace of mind that it won't get stolen when somebody walks by with one of those RFID scanners and pulls my information on my cards without me realizing it. SafeSleeve is just committed to protecting your health, protecting your identity, and just protecting the devices that you place within their products. I mean, they just offer a superior built product from almost every other phone case company that I've ever used, especially their iPad cases. That thing is amazing. All right, so let's just give some of these away. I'll pick two winners. I guess one for the one that is removable, another winner for the ones that are non-removable. You get to pick which color you would like out of the options. I'll place a link to the contest in the description down below, as well as the links to the products. I think I also have a discount code in here. Yeah, they always put discount codes in their actual sleeve. So I'll go ahead and put this discount code in the description down below so you can save 15% off of your first order. So yeah, I guess the first episode of the surprise unboxing series is in the books. It actually went pretty well. I didn't really go too deep into these things because a lot of the people who watch my channel have already seen me review this phone. If you want to see more information about these, you can watch the full review on one of these cases. I'll go ahead and put the link up here somewhere. I never know which side it is. I'll also put it in the description down below for you to check out if you would like. But yeah, this episode, I think I was pretty lucky with the first one that they sent out. Other episodes, I might not get so lucky. So other companies out there, if you want to send me something, bring your A game. Because if you don't, I will unbox it and I will give my fully brutal, honest opinion on it. So you've been warned. But good luck to everybody in the contest. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you soon.